Cleaning and keeping your house clean isn't always an easy job. Sometimes it can take us several hours to clean and organize everything. Even though it can be a hassle, it's always worth it. It helps lift your mood, and it makes everything smell better. Although they get the job done, they can be toxic if ingested, inhaled, or if they come in contact with your skin. Some of the substances used to make these products may cause immediate problems, such as skin or respiratory tract irritations, burns, and a burning sensation in your eyes. Others are even more dangerous. Studies link some of these chemical substances with lung problems. An easy way to keep your house clean is by making your own cleaning products at home. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to make a cleaning product that was used by our ancestors. The recipe is super easy and you'll only need 2 things. Ingredients: 1 roll of toilet paper, kitchen paper works too. White vinegar. Instructions: put the roll of toilet paper in a bowl. Then pour the vinegar over it. Now all you have to do is use the toilet paper to clean with. You may be asking yourself, why vinegar? Vinegar is an effective cleaning product with a high concentration of acetic acid that works as a disinfectant and powerful antimicrobial that can kill certain types of bacteria, and it also removes grease. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.